need me some vintage kits, man. I need me some styrene. I need some styrene, man. I need that. Give me.
You got the cash? Yeah, I got it for you. It's great, eh? It's like 100%.
Come on. You got something good for me? You got something? Oh man, I need me some. I mean, none of that. None of that Lindbergh stuff, man. I need some good stuff, man. I need something like, I need some S-kit. I need some, oh man, come on. I really need it. What about Aurora?
Well, I didn't cross the border. You can't get this anywhere else but for me. This will do you right. This will do you right. You're sure you're not a cop, right?
Some Aurora? I need me some Aurora. Oh yeah, give me that good Aurora, man. Man, I'm just, I don't think I can take it, man. You gotta get me some. Yeah. Oh yeah. Okay. Yeah.
All right, here it is. Here it is, 100%. Proof. There it is. Now give me the cash and get out of here. Lose my name. Okay.